Nenu, as a part of the IT SAP core committee, I am responsible for the CSR activities from all the IT companies. That includes also the cultural events, what we are doing, what we are seeing today. So today, the annual cultural event across all the IT companies we are conducting here at the Infosys campus. There are 300 plus member companies in the IT SAP, and out of which there is a very good amount of participation from all the member companies to show their talent in terms of the extracurricular activities they have. And the kind of competitions we are conducting is a kind of singing, solo acting, group dancing, as well as some kind of a fashion show. Those are the competitions. And today event was primarily having the finalists who are been, it was running for almost like 2 to 3 weeks, the selection process. And the finalists are presenting their final talents, and there are key judges there who will be evaluating this event. The event this year, the event is called Ekam 2013. Ekam ante oneness andi. This is primarily bringing the kind of spirit of oneness among all the IT companies, as well as a kind of a friendship and bondage. And that's the whole purpose of conducting this every annual cultural event. And the other important thing is the kind of revenue, whatever we get from this cultural event, the IT SAP core committee and also the member companies does lot of corporate social responsibility activities, like construct the school buildings or supporting the schools in education to the downtrodden children. All those activities, we will support. And this is one way of getting some kind of a revenue towards helping the downtrodden children. So this is primarily this annual event across all our member companies. So the winners will, this is a very prestigious event, has been considered like across all the member companies. So if you see that there is a real talent going on, and I think one day I will see that these guys will compete with the movie guys with the kind of talent they are showing. Yes, of course the awards are there, the chief guest is coming, Sushant is coming as a chief guest. The chief guest is going to arrive any time. And he is going to give the prize distribution for the winners of the competition. Actually, this is a part of all the IT SAP member companies, and as a part of the IT SAP member companies, not only companies in Hyderabad, but also companies across within the AP state. They are all there actually as a part of. So 300 plus member companies are there. So it's an open thing for anybody to compete and show their talent actually. So the companies from Vizag and other places also can compete. But this time I think there are only 20 to 25 companies have participated seriously. But we are expecting a more number of companies in the next future years to compete for this annual cultural event. Actually, the member companies can, we have a small, in terms of the revenue to collect, right? So for the cultural event, we are collecting some kind of, funds for that purpose. But then actually these funds go finally, in terms of all the CSR activities, whatever we are performing from IT SAP member companies.